Auto recover. Files that was never saved or saved at least once or versions options. Excel periodically saves a copy of your Excel file. Learn how to recover a file that was never saved and how to recover a file that has been saved at least once. If Excel crashes, it displays the document recovery pane the first time you open Excel again. This is a quick way to recover the last auto-saved file that was never saved. If you have never saved a file and you accidentally click on save below when you close Excel or Excel crashes, execute the following steps to recover the last auto saved file. When I close this one, don't save. Then I want that file. Again I open Excel. Click File tab. Click Info. Click Manage Workbooks. Recover and saved workbooks. You can see unsaved book one. Okay. Next one, saved at least once. If you have saved a file at least once and you accidentally click don't save below when you close Excel or Excel crashes, execute the following steps to recover the last auto save. Open the you can or use this option also. Here this make a time the new one. Copy the file. New Excel. I saved one time when I close the if you have saved a file at least once and you accidentally click don't save below when you close the Excel or Excel crashes, execute the following steps to recover the last auto saved file. Excel tells you if your recent copy will be available soon. Open the Excel file on the File tab, click Info under Manage Workbook and click Info and under Manage Workbooks you can take from here all unsaved in the recover and saved workbooks. Okay, this option also used for versions. When you are working on Excel file, Excel saves the all previous auto-saved files under Manage Workbooks. On the File tab, click. At any time, you can go back to a previous version of your Excel file through this option. Note that Excel deletes all previous auto-saved files when you close the Excel file. Options. To change the auto recover options, execute the following steps. On the File tab, click Options. On the File tab, click Options. Then click Save. You can save auto recovery information every turn or uh, X means if you want it from here. Change the auto recover file location. It is the auto recover file location here. You can change the location from here. Okay, I think you have understood my words.